Inside every single Tesla, there is 1 kilogram of silver. Now let's break it down and have a look at just how much silver is actually in a Tesla vehicle. But to do that, first of all, let's start with a combustion vehicle. Now, a combustion vehicle are the vehicles that run on petrol or diesel. These are the most common vehicles that are currently on our roads. Now, for every single combustion vehicle that is produced, it takes roughly half an ounce of silver. Now, the reason silver is used so heavily in many different industries is simply because it's the most conductive metal there is. So that is how much silver it takes to make one combustion vehicle. Now, to make an electric vehicle, it takes roughly, not a whole kilo, as many of you have probably seen online, but it takes roughly 2 ounces of silver. So still a huge difference from the half ounce that it takes to make a combustion vehicle. Now, within the next 10 years, combustion vehicles will no longer be allowed to be produced. So very, very soon, every single vehicle that is on the road will be electric. Now, if we go back to the 1 kilo of silver, there are some vehicles in production currently that do actually take 1 full kilogram of silver to make. So although currently there aren't any electric vehicles on the road that do take a full kilo of silver to make, very, very soon there will be. Now let me know in the comment section of today's video, did you know how much silver it takes to make different types of vehicles? I found this video very, very interesting to research, and I didn't realise the huge difference in the amount of silver it takes to make each type of vehicle. And I definitely didn't realise that very, very soon there's going to be a lot more vehicles on the road that do in fact contain a whole kilogram of silver. Thank you very much for watching.